All right, so here's tonight's project. Every winter, this room, whenever the ground freezes, the room moves. It was literally just framed on the driveway. I did not know that when I bought this property. So basically, we don't line up anymore. Obviously, this is quality craftsmanship here. I might have moved those last year to make it fit. Obviously, this broke somehow. In the past, I have fixed it with this. So obviously, I'm going to fix it right again. I think all I need to do is move this up a little bit and shim it out just a little bit. So I'm going to get out some tools and I'm going to fix that the right way. All right, let's see what we can find for some hardware here. We got some 1.25 inch screws, probably not. 3-inch. That ought to find something solid. Let's get a couple of those. Not quite sure if I need any shims yet, but if I do, just gotta move a few things. That's coffee. I don't know when that came from. I can find something in here to shim it up with. That right there is how you fix a door. Thanks for helping me with this project. If you like what you saw, click the things down there.